your company is facing questions like, how do we get our software strategy implemented? How does cloud computing factor into our operations and outreach? Can we leverage big data for insights? If the answer is yes, it might be the right time to get help from a software consultant. A software consultant is a trusted advisor that assists business leaders to design, optimize, and implement software and processes. They will explain how the pieces should be integrated in order to create a synergy between your business objectives, apps, and web services. What are the benefits of hiring a software consultant? Help an organization to see the big picture, improve your business operations, and speed up implementation times. You can learn more by following the link on the description box below. And don't forget to check out more videos in our Sonatafy Defined web series.